So in this exercise, we're going to go through and we're going to adjust some pictures. For the first bit, we're going to use the color balance and colorize commands. So in our first video, we have a picture of some fruit. It's a nice photo, but those blueberries are a bit more purple than blue. And the strawberries are really saturated. They just look too bad. We want to address that. And we also want to add a little bit of contrast to the kiwi fruit. So since those are all in the darkest part of the, we might be able to use color balance for that. So I'm going to open color balance under colors, and notice in the dialog box you can target shadows, highlights or midtones. For each of those areas I can adjust the colors with the sliders. I can shift the balance between the opposites like cyan and magenta, cyan and red, magenta and green, and yellow and blue. I'll start by targeting the shadows. So with the shadows, I'm going to take some magenta out and add a bit more green. So we'll see what that looks like, and notice how we've lightened up the berries, made them a little less purple and given them a bit more contrast. Next, we're going to add some contrast to the kiwis, the midtones, and we're going to drag the blue and yellow slider across. Now we're going to click on preview, make sure we've got preview selected, before and after. We can have a look. If you want to reset, you can just click the reset range and change it back. Or to reset all the sliders, for highlights, midtones, you can hit the reset down the bottom. So I like this change, so I'm going to click OK, and that's the color balance. Colorize, as it suggests, is good for completely changing the colors on an image. Now you can make lots of interesting looks like duotone and monotone effects. In our other example for this one, we have the car. So we're going to choose colors and we're going to colorize down the bottom here. You can immediately see the effect because the preview button is checked here. So what we're going to do is we have sliders for hue, saturation, and lightness. So hue starts out with cyan, going left, green, then yellow, then red. Going the other way, blue to purple, magenta, and then back to red. Saturation make the images go from pure saturated colors all the way down to grays. And lightness goes from pure black to pure white and all the values in between. So to create a sepia tone, you set lightness to 5, and we can adjust the saturation, the hue to 0.1 and the saturation to 0.4, and you get that sepia tone. That's pretty decent sepia effect. Not the greatest, but that's all right. We can also do a duotone by choosing any hue value and just setting that. So with color balancing, you can make adjustments, subtle adjustments to contrast and wholesale replacements of color throughout the image. Make sure you upload your 2 images that you have colorized and that you have color balanced.